Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll analyze 8 essential healthy cooking oils. Disclaimer: I am not a nutritionist. This video was created to inform viewers to explore alternative paths that empower individuals to achieve holistic well-being and enjoy optimal health. Nature Life Remedy is research-based information-related content. Please seek professional medical advice. Did you know that some cooking oils marketed as healthy can be harmful to your health? Our choice of cooking oil dramatically impacts our health and well-being. Healthy oils offer numerous benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and enhanced cognitive function. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated oils, such as olive, avocado, and canola, contain antioxidants that combat chronic diseases. They lower LDL, bad cholesterol, levels while raising HDL, good cholesterol. Incorporating healthy cooking oils into our diets improves our overall health. By substituting unhealthy saturated and trans fats with these oils, we can reduce the risk of obesity, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Choosing the right cooking oil is crucial for experiencing its benefits. By opting for healthy cooking oils, we invest in our long-term well-being and positively contribute to our health journey. The misconceptions surrounding so-called healthy cooking oils. Certain cooking oils, notably vegetable oils, have been hailed as the epitome of healthy fats for decades. However, recent research has unveiled a sobering truth. Many of these oils potentially harm our health. Palm oil, for instance, boasts a high saturated fat content and has been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Soybean oil, meanwhile, is prone to oxidation, which generates harmful free radicals. Once lauded for its low saturated fat, canola oil raises concerns over its high levels of unhealthy omega-6 fatty acids. Unbeknownst to many, these oils are often processed using high heat and chemicals, compromising their nutritional value. The result is a product that contributes to inflammation and chronic diseases rather than promoting health. We must dispel the misconceptions surrounding so-called healthy cooking oils. We can safeguard our health while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals by choosing healthier alternatives such as olive oil, avocado, or unrefined coconut oil. 8 types of cooking oils. Benefits and risks. Canola oil. Canola oil, derived from the rapeseed plant, is popular due to its neutral flavor and high smoke point. However, it is primarily refined and contains trans fats, which could raise LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase the risk of heart disease. Sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is got from sunflower seeds. It has a mild flavor and a high smoke point. It contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which may benefit heart health. Also, it is high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation if consumed excessively. Olive oil. Olive oil is obtained from pressed olives and is considered a healthy oil because of its high concentration of monounsaturated fats, which support heart health. However, lower quality olive oils may be substituted with cheaper oils, reducing their nutritional value. Avocado oil is got from the pulp of avocados. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for cooking. However, avocado oil is also high calorie and should be used in moderation. Walnut oil. Cold-pressed walnut oil boasts a rich, nutty flavor and is an extremely good source of omega-3 fatty acids and can help the brain and heart health. However, its low smoke point limits its use in low-heat cooking or salad dressings. Grapeseed oil is acquired from grape seeds. Grapeseed oil is high in polyphenols and antioxidants that may protect against inflammation and improve heart health. It has a light flavor and a high smoke point, making it versatile for cooking and salad dressings. Sesame oil is derived from sesame seeds. Sesame oil is valued for its nutty flavor and high smoke point. It contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats and lignans, which may have anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is got from coconut meat. It is high in saturated fat and linked to increased LDL cholesterol levels. However, some research suggests that coconut oil may also raise HDL, good cholesterol, potentially mitigating the risk of heart disease. Unveiling the dark truth. Supposedly healthy cooking oils that harm your health. For decades, we've relied on vegetable oils like canola, corn, and soybeans as supposedly healthy saturated fat substitutes. However, groundbreaking research has exposed the shocking truth. These oils are not the health allies we once believed. These oils are processed using high heat and chemicals, creating trans fats and oxidized fatty acids that are highly inflammatory and damaging to our bodies. Studies have connected them to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and even cancer. They promote inflammation throughout the body, leading to a lot of health issues, such as arthritis, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Choosing suitable cooking oils is paramount for our overall well-being. Healthy oils, rich in monounsaturated fats, promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function. Conversely, unhealthy oils, laden with saturated and trans fats, elevate cholesterol levels, increase inflammation, and contribute to chronic diseases. Understanding the different types of oils and their properties is crucial. Extra virgin olive oil has a high concentration of polyphenols. It is an excellent choice for salad dressings and low-heat cooking. By selecting cooking oils that align with our health goals, we can proactively reduce the risk of chronic illnesses, promote cardiovascular health, and enhance our cognitive well-being. Embracing a nutritious cooking oil regimen empowers us to make informed choices for a healthier and more fulfilling life. Check out your other videos on healthy cooking tips, and in the comments section, share your viewers' thoughts on their preferred cooking oils. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If this video is of value to you, I encourage you to subscribe for more videos on healthy cooking tips, and please share your thoughts on your preferred cooking oils in the comments section below.